Hey, these are the TTC watermelon milkshake switches. They're a tactile switch made from a nylon housing, palm stem, and use a gold-plated spring that bottoms out at 63 grams. They come lightly lubed and are a 3-pin switch. They're stated to feature a moderate, slightly sharp tactility that is slightly more tactile than an MX Brown, but slightly less tactile than an MX Clear. I remember seeing this for the first time on KBD Fans and thinking, these are some really ugly ass looking switches. Even this name sounded gross to me. And then I saw the 45 gram actuation and all that, and I just said bye to it. But I remember reading a comment on one of my videos requesting these to be reviewed, and that was like a year ago. And I remember telling them that if there was demand for it, I'd review it. Here we are now. There was no demand for them, but I do want to provide that one person with that review of these switches, so this one's for you, sir, or miss, or them, if you're still watching, that is. Anyways, the factory lube version of these, wow. Also, sound varies when it comes to switches, keycaps, keyboards, mounting systems, plate material, desk mat, no desk mat, table material, wall material, floor material, room size, furniture, open window, closed window, mic quality, mic distance, sound editing, air density, fan on, fan off, tape mount, mute mount, dampeners, phone, close on, close off. Anything can affect sound. I was genuinely surprised at how these feel and sound. To be honest, I can't really tell much of a difference between tactiles with sound, but these feel-wise feel a lot better than what I would have expected. I prefer a stronger tactile bump, which is why I was surprised by this. I expected a lighter tactile that was similar to a cherry brown, but these have more tactility than they do. Also, they're pretty smooth too. Factory lube is definitely improving the way these feel straight out of the box. In my opinion, I don't think these need to be lubed, because these are pretty good the way they are. So for the first time, I'm going to say that there will be no lubed experience for a switch. These switches are really good. Getting up close, there is a bit of leaping. I don't remember how to fix that, but I'm sure if you look it up on Reddit, you'll be able to fix it up. So once again, no lubed experience, because I honestly think these are pretty good factory lube. You could try to lube them. I wouldn't know how they feel, but you can go for that. Might be better, even better. I don't know, but I'm too lazy. So would I recommend these switches? Yeah, these switches feel pretty good as a tactile switch. They don't have a big bump or are so faint that you think it's a linear, but it's a very good middle ground tactility wise. For $5.50 for 10 switches or 55 cents per switch, it's not cheap and it's not too expensive. I prefer a sharp tactile like the Moe Blacks or Celios, but these switches are still pretty good to try out. These are definitely one of those switches I would say don't judge a book by its cover, because these switches may look ugly, but they feel really nice. Hey, I think this is like the shortest video that I've ever done, but anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I'll do other content as well. If you like that, hit that subscribe button. I also have a Twitch. I try to stream every Fridays at a reasonable time at twitch.tv/smilingdown. Here's a clip of some of the things that I do over there. So thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next one. Peace.